one of the principles of knowledge building is how pervasive knowledge is. That as you go deeply into an area, you find it's connected with other aspects of the curriculum. We as educators have compartmentalized the curriculum in order to deliver it, but not because that's how learning really takes place. But I'm cautious when I say this, that teachers hearing this will say, well, oh my goodness, you mean I'm throwing everything out and it's sort of no holds bar, I need some structure. And what I tell those teachers is sort of a 1% rule. Change 1% of your practice a day. Really think about, how can I give more opportunity to students in my class to have ownership in what we're learning, have them assess what needs to happen, understand that all ideas are improvable. And in my case, I started in the area of the curriculum of science, and it was so conducive to inquiry and knowledge building. And I realized at some point that, well, why was I teaching math in still a very traditional way, instead of making children understand they were mathematicians? It was about solving this problem and looking at all the different ways that we could solve that problem, what resources we needed, what information was superfluous, what information was necessary, and then comparing, contrasting, deciding on what might be the best method to do this for the different individuals. And by the time I left the classroom, it was spelling that I thought, well, nothing seems to be working. Can there be sort of a knowledge building way where children can identify in this crazy language called English that really has so many rule-breaking words? Can we come up with some theories about how to spell most words that share a commonality? What are some of the conventions we can discover as a community that will help us in the future? These are all really authentic goals for students. They want to find this information out.